The number pi. Who hasn't heard of it? Has something to do with circles and math. I won't bore you with the details, but pi is a constant number, 3, with a progression of decimal places. And not just any progression, but an endless progression that is never repeated anywhere. That got me thinking. What if you replace those numbers after the decimal point with musical notes? Then you get an infinitely varying melody. Could that produce beautiful music? To link a pitch to each digit, I had to come up with a key. A scale has only 7 notes. Think of the 7 white keys on a piano. They are in the scale of C major. If I add the scale of C minor, I have 4 notes that are identical in both scales. Joining those two together, you get 10 notes. Just what I needed. But just putting the notes you get one after the other doesn't yield beautiful music. Nobody would ever want to listen to this. Music calls for harmony, and the ear finds rest in repetitions. The initial digit 3 offered a solution here in the form of the 3 notes of a triad. On to the melody. Groups of notes introducing pi's decimals in motives. Pi always determines the note, but I take the liberty of choosing the position and length of each note. And once introduced, those motives may also be repeated. By using variations, you do indeed get music. Music that can sometimes be abrasively dissonant and sometimes surprisingly harmonious, but always interesting. Judge for yourself through the link below.